It's hot. Straight from African Vogue, Ibn Ezra Studios. Another blockbuster movie just for you.
Treasure map.
It's the story of a hunt for an ancient, revered, mystical African artwork stolen by 16th century European explorers from along the coast of Africa and buried deep in Botany Forest. The chase is on. Guided by 16th century masked treasure hunters set out to locate and recover the stolen African treasures. Who will get there first?
Treasure map.
Features Benga Richard and Belinda FR, Scarlett Chukura, Larry Williams MFR, Eddie Goma ON, Prince Junior Kosoko, Paul Obazele, Fumi Tijani, Femi Robinson, Wale Adebayo, Shango, and Nadu of Africa, Lego Aziz Odunton, Angel Ufuoma, Sheyi Allen, Yemi Olakiton, Priska Iwoha, Edith Duru, MC Richards, Odrosa Pinky Adeze, Nosa Abel, introducing Philippe Dupré as Dr. Bank. It's an adventure of a lifetime. We must protect and preserve our African heritage.
Treasure map.
Another Femi Lasode movie coming soon to a cinema near you.
Treasure map.